to Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, whenever I go to a restaurant and it's time to order some starters, especially if you're going to a veg restaurant, I think most of us, at least me, always end up ordering Hara Bhara Kebabs because they are so delicious. Yes, you've guessed it right. So today's recipe is going to be a very easy take on this Hara Bhara Kebab. It's super simple and it has beautiful ingredients which are easily available. And the whole process is also very easy. I've tried to make it as simple and easy as possible. So I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments box below what you thought of today's recipe. So let's head on to my kitchen and make this beautiful Hara Bhara Kebabs. So these are our ingredients. This is half a cup of Palak puree, half a cup of capsicum, 3 light green chilies chopped fine, half a cup of green peas, half a cup of French beans. This is 1 cup of a mixture of coriander and mint leaves. This is 1 cup of boiled and mashed potatoes, half an inch of ginger grated, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of breadcrumbs, salt to taste, and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala as well as amchur powder. Now here I've taken about 1 tablespoon of oil, heated it in a pan. I've added my cumin seeds and my green chilies and I'm going to fry this very well. Next goes in my grated ginger. We're going to fry the ginger in the oil well too. Next goes in my chopped up capsicum. After that, I'm going to fry that well too. Then goes in my French beans. We're going to fry that well too. And then goes in my green peas and we're going to fry that well. Well, the reason this is called a Hara Bhara Kebab is because it has so many green lovely vegetables. And all of these vegetables are so easily available now and you can really put them to use and make this beautiful Hara Bhara Kebabs. Now this is the mixture of my pudina or mint leaves along with the coriander or the cilantro which I've chopped very finely. And we're going to give all of this a nice fry in the oil. Now it's time to add a little bit of spices. So we're going to add the turmeric powder. We're going to mix everything well together. Then we're also going to add some salt to taste. Give everything a good mix. And after about 5 minutes of frying everything well, we're just going to turn off the heat and we're going to let this mixture come to room temperature completely. Now once it has completely cooled down, we're going to transfer this to our mixer or blender and we're going to grind it to a very coarse paste. We don't want a very fine paste but a very coarse paste. Something that looks like this. Now we're going to transfer this coarsely ground paste to a large bowl where we're going to mix all our ingredients to form the kebabs. Next goes in our spinach or palak paste. You will find the instructions of how to prepare this palak paste in the description box below as well as the comments box below. It's pretty simple. Now I'm going to add my mashed potatoes. Next we're going to be adding our corn flour. Next goes in the breadcrumbs. Next goes in our mixture of amchur powder or chaat masala. Amchur powder is basically dry mango powder and it's easily available in the market. It gives a lovely taste to this kebabs. Now we're going to give all of this a very good mix. Now if you find your mixture is still a little bit runny and sticky, just increase the amount of corn flour or the breadcrumbs, or if you have some more boiled potatoes at hand, you can do that. Now just wet your palms with some water. That way it becomes very easy to form the kebabs. Form them into these small little balls, flat balls, and then just dip them into some breadcrumbs and we keep them all aside. Now you can also keep these and store them in an airtight container for a day or two and just fry them whenever you need to. So now I have some oil heating in a pan. I have some kitchen napkin for draining once the kebabs are fried. And now all we have to do is just fry them on a low to medium flame till they turn a lovely golden brown color. Now these, besides being excellent starters, they go very well as a side dish with some rice and dal or some dal khichadi. This is also a very nice item to give your kids in their tiffin box, or when they're just hungry, you can just make them and keep them. Don't keep them for too long, maybe a day or two in your refrigerator in an airtight container, and you can fry them whenever hunger strikes. So ensure that you fry everything well. I mean, the kebabs are nicely fried, so they become nice and crispy too. You can also serve this with some lovely tomato ketchup or some pudina and coriander chutney. And they look so beautiful once they're fried, and they look so delicious to eat too. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. Thank you so much for watching. So friends, how did you like today's recipe? I hope you will try it out. And now that it being December and the end of the year with the winter, we have all these fresh and green vegetables available in plenty. So go to the market, get all these vegetables. I've given you exact measures as to how much you require, and make these Hara Bhara Kebabs for your family. I'm sure they're going to love it. So friends, if you like today's video, don't forget to leave it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button that you see below this video. I need those likes. And also, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, then please do that and become a part of Akshata's recipes. It's completely free. All you need to do is just log into your Google account or your YouTube account and just become a part of Akshata's recipes by clicking the subscribe button. Once you have clicked the subscribe button, it's going to show you a small little bell. Click that bell, because every time I put up a new video, you will get a message for the same. Also friends, go and visit my channel. I have more than 400 recipes on my channel, and I've broken them up into playlists. So if you go to my home page, you will see something called playlist. Click on it and you will see all the recipes broken up into the different categories, like breakfast ideas, lunch and dinner recipes, Goan recipes, Maharashtrian recipes, Christmas recipes, Diwali recipes, and many, many more. Plus there are a lot of vlogs also where I share with you some tips or my holidays, or where you get to know me better. So I'll end today's video saying bye, and I will see you soon in another video, sooner than you think. Take care. This is Akshata signing off. Bye guys.